Hi, my name is Christopher Reese, and I've been a health coach for over 21 years now. I live here in the Sacramento area, and I wanted to touch bases with you regarding one of the most important issues that's bringing our healthcare system to a halt. So the truth is, we have access to more food at any time in history. We're eating more calories and getting far less nutrition. America is getting supersized since our food chain has been supersized. So listen, we want to cut back on all the high-calorie food that doesn't contain all the vital nutrients we need. We're consuming too much sugar, salt, fat, highly processed foods that again are just empty calories. So as a society, we've just been getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Obesity has become the #1 preventable cause of death. Then to add insult to injury, for decades, the diet industry has been a multi-billion-dollar industry that's more interested in selling the next fad than teaching you how to live a healthy life. So here, your success is our success. Now, the journey isn't easy, but why do so many people fail? They fail because they try to do it alone. Nobody cares. Nobody's coaching them. Day after day, we've been helping people break that chain for over 21 years. Now, we want to help you. Let's break the chain together and put an end to your struggle, and why not have fun doing it? So on April 23rd, we are launching our Step Up Your Game Body Transformation Challenge. By joining, you'll get a complete wellness profile, totally for free, it's a $100 value, a private Facebook support group with an amazing like-minded community of people that are cheering you on. You're gonna get meal plans, healthy snack lists, exercise programs with tips that you can do right from your own living room, or you can come to the club, a personal coach to help you get the best results possible, and $1,600 in total cash prizes. So the best part is the end of the 4 weeks, you just send in your before and after results in pictures. There's going to be 4 people who are going to win $400. And listen, by no matter what, you're going to get the body you've always dreamed of, cash pot $1,600. Why not invite your friends to the challenge so they can share the pot? All of this for $20 if you want to try our famous 3-day trial. Now, the challenge is only 30 days. You can do it. I'm including some results from some of our last 2 challenges here that we've had. It's a very short time. And listen, most of these people have only been doing it for 30 to 45 days. It's amazing. So click the link, learn more, or register, or call the phone number if you're ready now. So listen, step up your game. Let's do the challenge.